Now moving on to what is happening elsewhere in the continent of Africa, South African economy contracted by an annualized rate of 51% in the second quarter of 2020, the worst in decades, as Africa's second biggest economy battled the COVID-19 pandemic. Most sectors declined steeply, except for agriculture, which grew 15.1% in the second quarter from January to March, helped by fruit and nut exports and better than average winter rainfall. Details of this and more in our Africa Business Roundup.
Construction, manufacturing and mining were some of the worst affected sectors, while agriculture was the only industry that expanded in the second quarter. The significant contraction of South Africa's economy was worse than the central bank's 40.1% contraction and sharply contrasts with the 6.1% slowdown recorded in the first quarter after the 2009 global financial crisis. Data released by Statistics South Africa showed recession extending to a fourth quarter as the economy suffered in the 3 months to June when pandemic-related restrictions came into force. The Statistics Service said the second quarter of 2020 will become known as the pandemic quarter. Mining declined 73.1%, manufacturing 74.9%, and construction 76.6%. Gross domestic product for the whole country shrunk 17.1% from the same period in 2019. Elsewhere, the government of Zimbabwe has banned with immediate effect all mining in the Hwange National Park in the west of the country. 2 Chinese companies had been granted licenses to explore for coal inside Zimbabwe's biggest game reserve, home to more than 40,000 elephants, as well as black rhinos, lions and many other species. But conservationists had filed an urgent application, arguing that any type of mining posed an acute risk of irreversible ecological degradation and could kill the country's tourism industry. Finally, entertainment mogul Akon has broken ground on the construction of a $6 billion urban development project. He took to social media to unveil the first 3D rendering of his Akon city, saying it is going to become the beginning of Africa's future. The entertainment mogul says the idea is to build a futuristic city that incorporates all the latest technologies, cryptocurrencies, and also the future of how African society should become in the future. Betty Kiptum, Channel 1 Business.